I'm scared I'm gonna fall out.
Oh, don't say that, don't say that.
Pretty beautiful. Here we go. Alrighty, you two. Nice big smiles. No naughty words, right? The camera does have audio. We will be listening.
It gives you warning, doesn't it?
Holy fuck!
Give the camera a wave. Wipe those tears away.
Oh my god.
Yeah. At least you're doing it, like,
Alrighty, are you ready? Do you want a countdown or a surprise?
countdown.
Oh, I don't know. Holy fuck, I can't believe I'm doing it.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Holy crap, I love it!
It's so good.
Whoa!
My eyeballs!
Holy crap, that was awesome. Holy crap.
My face! My dentures like falling.
Holy crap. Oh, that was amazing. Relax me.
My whole body's tingling.
That was awesome. No one else would do this with me, so good. Oh, nice view, fuck. Oh, I'm sweating so bad.
Same. My eyes are dripping. My mouth's really dry. I don't remember if I screamed. I think I did.
That was so good. Oh,
That was fun.
I'm sweating so bad.
I feel like I was dying.
Oh, this is so cool! Oh. My eyes hurt
Holy
so
shit.
bad.
How'd you go, you guys?
That was so good.
That was
Well
awesome.
done. Do you two want to go again? $10 each for another one.
$10 each for another one.
Want to go again? Goes on your same DVD for no extra charge.
Oh, yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
if the other people want to go, I'll go again. $10
Go
bucks.
again, you guys. $10 each.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm sick.
Yeah. I'll pay for it after. Yay, again. I'm actually excited this
This
time.
time now, you've got to try not to hang on, alright? So when you
Oh,
go
screw
down,
that.
you've got to try and put your arms straight out in front. So put your hands on your knees,
Okay, I was prepared.
completely relaxed.
I'm not prepared for this one.
You'll be alright, you've done it once.
I'm scared my arms are going to rip off.
No, you'll be fine. So when you take off, guys, just put your arms straight out in front. Try not to hang on to the sissy bars, alright?
Okay. Okay.
I can't promise anything.
Holy crap, I'm holding a really...
Alrighty. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Fuck that.
Holy crap.
I said
It's
like...
amazing. My butt's off the seat. Oh my god, my
Mum would fucking... Mum would...
Imagine
I
your,
keep swearing.
your mum on this.
She... Even for $1 million.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's such a...
I don't like this part, but
Really?
yeah.
I love it.
It makes me feel sick. And it's
Look at what's
spinny.
holding us on.
It's like freaking spinny. When you said that, it made me want to hold on to the...
Sorry.
It's like those clips we use at work.
Oh, fuck my legs. Oh,
The part where it's like all spinny and makes it...
I feel good.
I feel as tingly as I did.
Oh, I'm just sweating not bad. Okay, we're good.
Alrighty, you two.
Thank
Here we
you.
go. Undo those seatbelts. Lift up the buckle, pull out the strap. Come and take the seat down the bottom there, yeah? Oh, I'm not too bad.
There's 50 cents there.